Hi everyone. Welcome to the METKey Calibration Management Platform training. In this series of videos, we will guide you through the features and functions of our software to help you manage and track your calibration activities with ease and efficiency. So, let's get started. In this segment, we will take you through the step-by-step process of creating and completing calibration work with a certificate for an existing customer, instrument, and procedure. This quick workflow is also known as ad hoc work, as the work is not associated with an estimate, order, or invoice. Step 1. Log into METKey. Go to the METKey URL provided to you by your organization and log into your account. Step 2. Creating a work. Once you are in METKey, click on the Create Work button located at the bottom of the screen under the Work section. Next, you will need to select the customer for whom you want to create the work. To do this, click on the Select Customer dropdown and search for the customer by name or ID. Once you have found the customer, click on their name to select them. Now uncheck the Create Work for Existing Order/Invoice checkbox as you don't have an existing order or invoice. Then search for a service from the list of services available in the Services table and select it. You may add an order or an invoice for this work later from the Ad hoc Work screen, which will be explained in a separate video. Also, the option to select a service will be available only on METKey versions with integrated accounting features. For all other versions, select the customer and proceed to the instrument selection. Next, you will need to select the instrument that you want to calibrate. If the instrument is already registered under the selected customer, all you need to do is search and find the instrument using its ID. Once you have found the instrument, click on the checkbox next to it and select it. You may add a new instrument by clicking the Create Instrument button, the steps for which will be detailed in a separate video. Once you have the customer, service, and instrument selected, click on the Add Work button. This will open up a pop-up screen where you can enter the details of the work. But as a beginner, you may leave those fields to their default values and click the Save button. Under the Add Work button, you will find the work that you have added. You may choose the department, procedure, and technician to whom you may want to assign the work. Now click the Create Work button and your work will be created. Now click on the My Works button located at the bottom of the screen under the Work section. Here you can see all the work created so far. There are 4 checkboxes on this screen that indicate the different stages of the work. Please note the options available will be based on the permissions assigned to you, which will be explained in detail in a different video. The Not Started checkbox is selected by default when new work is assigned to you. This indicates that you haven't started working on the work order yet. If you started working on a work order, you can select the Started checkbox and hit search to find the work order that is already started. To begin, start by selecting the work you want to start from the table and click on the Start Work button. It's important to note that you can only start a work that is assigned to you. Now, scroll down to the Calibration section and click on the Add button. From the Add/Edit Calibration section, choose As Found. Click on the procedure name and that will open the worksheet for the procedure. We have pre-filled some data for you, but feel free to clear the data and add your own. Once you've finished, hit Save Work. Next, you may repeat the same steps to add an as-left calibration. But for the time being, you can skip that. Now click on Mark for Certificate and hit Yes on the confirmation dialog. Next, click on Configure Certificate, and that will give you a screen for configuring the certificate details. 99% of the time, all you need to do is hit Preview, and you will get a PDF copy of the certificate. If the preview looks good, close the pop-up and send the certificate for approval so that one of the approvers can approve it. That's it. You now know how to start work, add a calibration, and configure a certificate. Remember to follow the steps carefully, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching.